So hello everyone, this is Pawan here. In this video, I am going to share your three questions. Answer your three questions. And the question one is that what is stock market? And the question second, why is question second, how we can start investing in the stock market? And the question number third, which is why stock market exists. So let's start discussion. So stock market is a place where you can buy and share. So stock market is a place where we can so stock market is a place where we can buy and sell a stock of different companies. And in our country, there is two major stock exchanges or stock market, that is National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange. So when we buy a share of a company, then we get percentage of ownerships of that company. So when this company grow, then our share prices will grow and we are able to make money from this share. But this share market is little bit different from our subsidy market. In subsidy market, there is no requirement of the third persons to whom behalf we enter the market or make any transaction. But in stock market, there is a requirement of the third person, and this third person is called broker. And broker is helping as a character between the stock exchange and us. And you heard different names like the angel broking, of stocks, Zerodha, Motilal Oswal, and these are all different brokers. And we have to pay a commission to all these brokers for their service. To start our investing, we have to open two accounts from our broker. And the first one is your DEMAT account, and the second one is your trading account. And third account, which I think you already have, that is your bank account, and that is also mandatory. So to open both DEMAT and trading account, there is a requirement of the few documents just three documents only. The first, your Aadhaar card or Aadhaar number, and second one is your bank details, and third one is your PAN card. So when you arrange all these three documents, then make sure that you have to link your mobile number to both Aadhaar as well as your bank account. Then after that you have to choose any broker, and then your account is easily opened, and you can start your investing journey, and that is really wonderful. So if you really want to open account from off stocks, which I personally use from 1 year and not feel in trouble, then you can find a link in the description box where you can go and just to do all the things, and you can open your account if you want to do. So till now I answer your two questions: what is stock market and how we can start investing in the stock market. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So come to the third question, that is why stock market exists. And different people have different perspective on that. Some people say that stock market is here to make money by intraday, by delivery, by trading, by investing, and all those things. But the core foundation behind existence of stock market is that to raise money for the businesses. For example, imagine for a moment I run a company, that the company name is Lok Enterprises, and this company makes just poster making company. Then I realized one day, since the whole economy is going through lockdown, and every shops, schools, colleges, institutes is shut down completely, then I believe that one day when everything is going to start or reopen, and still we have to take precautions. So what I do, if I make posters regarding these precautions, like the use mask properly, make a distance gap, don't gather at one place, use sanitizer, something like that, then my chances to grow in the just after the economy is open is high. To make all these things happen, I have to raise 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh is expenditure to make the posters and just make an advertisement. So I just contact my family members or friends to giving me that 10 lakh rupees. But if instead of that I give the percentage of ownership of my company, that is Lok Enterprises. So what I do, so the family is giving me that. The family is suffering from the financial problems just because of this lockdown. The family is just giving me 1 lakh rupees, just 1 lakh rupees. So I take that money and give my percentage of ownership to our family members. Then I just go to the bank to really helping me to get that money, and bank give me just 4 lakh rupees at the interest of 12%. So what happened with me? Still I am facing with money crisis. Bank is giving me that money, but bank is taking me a charge that is 48,000 per annum, and that is not easy for me to pay. So but I take that money from the bank because I believe that I will pay that money and I will make more profit. Then I just go to the public all around us to help, and who helping me to just get that money. So I come with an IPO. This is called initial public offering, and I asking people to give me money, and I will give my share of company as a back or a back. So in this way stock market is, so in this way the stock market exists. So when I just buy the share of the company, I just give the percentage of ownership of my company, and some after few days this stock is listed on in any exchange, maybe on NSE, on the BSE, and this whole process of the buying and selling is going to start. This is why the stock market is really exists today. So please hit the, so I hope you really enjoy the video, and if you find it little bit informative, so please share this video. I want to end this video with wonderful quote of Warren Buffett, who is the successful investor of the till date. His quote is that if you can't make money while you sleep,